I know that you got like 700 digit in your bank. Okay, hello, what's up everyone, this is Forever Looney here, and today we will be speaking in regards to mortgages. Okay, I have seen your messages and I have heard your voice. I am going to speak about them today. So the first question here I have is, why should we get into mortgage? Mortgage is bad.
Nani?
Oh my god. Okay, let me give you a scenario. Okay, this happens to me, and as a person that was working, you know, for a full-time job, I didn't thought of going out there to get a part-time. I didn't go and think about how I'm able to make more money. I was having a pay of $1,800 every month. Okay, $1,800 every month. And then I asked myself, I want to buy the cheapest property I can at the end of 10 years. That is where the problem comes in. When I start to look for property, all those property are costing $100,000 and above. And above. How am I able to afford a property that is $100,000 and above, when I'm only having $1,800 a month, saying that I save whatever that I can, I eat biscuits every morning, I eat biscuits every lunchtime, I eat biscuit for dinners. I am having a 10-year plan. Okay, I'm getting $1,800, I'm getting paid 12 months, okay, deducting all my everythings, all that I have. Maybe let's just say that every year I have maybe a savings of maybe $10,000. I'm having $10,000 every year. In 10 years time, I'm able to get $100,000. But buying a property, we still have all the lawyer fees, we still have the transference fee, stamp duty, and every single tax that is out there that we have to pay. So $100,000 will cost me maybe a property, or maybe cost me like 12 years working in the industry, and then finally I have the money to buy my first property. Full 100% down payment, and I have the property 10 years after that. But let me just ask you this question. Today, if you are starting out, okay, you are 20 years old, you have to wait until you are 30 plus in order to get a property. If I were to get a property at the age of 27 with mortgage, why not? I can just pay them back slowly. You see, this is the different thinking between you and all those other people that are telling you that mortgage is bad, mortgage is worse. Mortgage is something that gives you cash allowance while owning the thing. It's just like you getting a credit card. Okay, when you pay with a credit card, you get payment things, okay, you get your items, and then you pay at the end of the month. And then after that, it goes into your credit score. You getting a mortgage is the same thing. If you're gonna ask your dad, your parents, your uncle, or whoever that is having a property right now, ask them, did they do 100% down payment? Okay, other than those people that are super rich, I'm saying that normal, average people. If you do not have a property right now, what are you supposed to do? If, for me, I'm given a case, I will go for a mortgage. Because it's not going to change anything. I'm going to pay the bank, I'm going to pay anybody else, but mortgage is going to give me allowance of all this money. Think about this. If I'm having $500,000 from the bank right now to buy this property, and then I will sell this property 2 or 3 years or 5 years after that, I am actually getting more money. Reason being is because of inflation, which I will speak more in the later episode, okay? Next, also, it will give me an advantage. If my house, if I get a property right now at this value, okay, at $500,000, 2 to 3 years down the road, there might be new shopping malls, there might be new property nearby, there might be new transport, there might be new things. Property will increase in price. Reason being is because some property, they actually loses value in price is because they are in bad environment. Meaning that the environment has nobody to take care of, nobody wants to do enhancement, nobody want to do recreation of parks, nobody want to improve, nobody want to increase their land value. Okay, that is the worst place that you should ever buy your property. So you got to be really careful when you're buying low price property. Okay, so to answer the question, whether should I get a mortgage or not, for me, as a person that has no backers, no nothing, no rich dad, no poor dad, I just come from wherever that I am here for myself, for my family, I will go for mortgage. it will give me cash allowance, at the same time having spare cash on the sidelines, so that, you know, I don't have to really give them a lump sum of money. I still have money for myself. Okay? I still have a lump sum of money for myself. I can just slowly pay the bank, slowly, pay by pay, and then after that, at the end of this property lifetime, I'm gonna sell this property away, and then I will buy a new property. And that is how I'm gonna do it. Alright, so if you're gonna ask me whether I will get a mortgage, I will, okay? To help me save money, to help me get more money, at the same time, to help me have cash allowance. My name is Private Looney. I'll see you guys on the next video.
Do you want to enjoy collecting monthly rental, but understanding real estate becomes very difficult and you don't know where to get started? Then, the book on what real estate is for you. The book covers the differences in real estate, real property, and the few differences in real estate's properties. Also information about real estate market and how mortgage will help you gain passive income. Please like and share and get your copy of the book now.